Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying essentials so the reset will work. Make sure you know the Google account email tied to the device, the Chromebook model, and that the unit is online. Once done, reach the sign-in screen and click Forgot Password or use the recovery prompt. If you don't see prompts, press ESC plus refresh plus power to reboot into the login flow. These steps get you into the account recovery path and prepare the Chromebook for verification. Now you follow the account verification flow. This is where most resets succeed or fail. Enter your Google account and pick a verification method. Google may offer email, SMS, or a two-step verification prompt to a trusted device. If you have a backup code or recovery key, use it now. Make sure to check the linked phone or email immediately. These codes expire quickly. Once verification completes, Chrome OS allows you to set a new password or sign in with updated credentials. Finish by creating a strong new Google password and updating recovery options so you avoid repeat locks. Sign back into your Chromebook and allow settings to sync. Make sure two-step verification is re-established if you use it. If verification fails, try the Google account recovery page from another device, confirm backup email/phone, and retry. As a last resort only, consider Power Wash Factory Reset, which removes local data but lets you regain access after re-verification.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.